Kelly is asking here, what about R program? Is it used more in data science than data scientist? Yes. R is more used if we in actually analyzing the data, actually working with the data, creating results, creating some analytics parts. For engineering, I'm not sure if I think I don't know any engineer who's using R. So that's definitely in the data scientist realm. Where you have usually the question Python or R. A lot of people use Python, a lot of people use R. Depends a bit on what you want to do, but I'm not an expert in that, so yeah, that's there.